E-commerce customer service, your secret weapon to skyrocketing sales. What's going on, guys? It's Kalyan Digital here, and let's be real. In the e-commerce game, customer service can make or break you. Think about it. You could be killing it with the best products and a killer website, but if your customer service is trash, people are going to bounce faster than you can say refund. Welcome to our guide on mastering e-commerce customer service. Today we'll cover the key aspects that can make or break your online business. So, you're serious about stepping up your customer service game? Smart move. First things first, you got to figure out your customers are reaching out. Email is like the OG, reliable but sometimes slow. Live chat? That's your on-the-spot problem solver, perfect for those urgent "is this in stock?" questions. Then you've got phone support. Some people just prefer that human touch, and don't even get me started on social media. Customers sliding into your DMs is the new normal. Oh, and before I forget, a killer FAQ section on your website. That's like automating your customer service before the questions even pop up. All right, we got to talk numbers for a sec. KPIs, key performance indicators, these bad boys tell you how your customer service is performing. First up, first response time. Think about it. How long are you leaving customers hanging? The faster, the better, my friends. Then there's resolution rate. How many issues are you actually solving? Next, customer satisfaction. Are your customers actually happy or just gritting their teeth? And finally, the holy grail, Net Promoter Score. This tells you if customers are going to shout your name from the rooftops or, well, tell everyone to avoid you like the plague. Chapter 3. Customer Service Best Practices, the Million-Dollar Habits. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of what makes customer service truly exceptional. Personalization is key. Nobody wants to feel like just another number. Treat your customers like VIPs. Use their names, remember their past purchases, you know the drill. Empathy is huge. Put yourself in their shoes, understand their frustration, and let them know you genuinely care. And proactive support? That's next level stuff. Anticipate their needs before they even know they have them. Chapter 4. Tech that'll make you a customer service ninja. Listen, we're in the 21st century, and if you're not using tech to streamline your customer service, you're missing out. Helpdesk software is like your command center. Keeps all your customer interactions organized. Chatbots? Those little guys can handle the basic questions 24/7, freeing up your human agents for the complex stuff. CRM software? That's your customer database on steroids. And social media management tools, essential for taming that wild beast. Chapter 5. Metrics for success. Are you winning or losing? You've put in the work, you've implemented the strategies, but how do you know if it's actually working? Time to measure those results. Customer retention rate. Are people coming back for more, or are they running for the hills? Customer acquisition cost. How much are you spending to reel in those customers? Customer lifetime value. How much can you expect to earn from a customer over their lifetime? Keep a close eye on your support ticket volume. Is it going up or down? And finally, support ticket resolution time. Are you solving those problems quickly and efficiently? Outro, level up your customer service game. Listen, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. Mastering e-commerce customer service is a marathon, not a sprint. But trust me, the payoff is huge. By focusing on these key aspects, you can enhance your e-commerce customer service and build lasting relationships with your customers. Remember, happy customers are loyal customers, and loyal customers, they're the ones who keep those sales rolling in. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights.